Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have brown stew chicken.
Say it again.
Brown stew chicken with rice and peas, some steamed cabbage, and some plantains.
Sounds good.
Sounds good?
Yes.
Before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
She's back. I know you like it because I love it. I don't know what y'all do already.
Well, we are ready to dig in. Oh man,
Look at this.
I'm hungry.
Look at this rice and peas.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. But wait, we would tell you where. Yes, you can find it in a Jamaican store too. Just telling you want stewed chicken, alright?
Whoa.
That's what it is. Alright, look at this. Look at this. Look at this mountain. Rice and peas. First they make some good rice and peas, you know? Hold on, family.
A lot of gravy on it too now.
Come on, they know we love the gravy already. Alright. Check it out. Cool it for y'all. I don't want y'all to say we burn y'all. First they gotta run. Look at this. Focus. There we go. You see that? It's the peas for me. Family. Damn.
I also have some. Ooh,
Pepper night, man.
a little bit. Family, I also have some sorrel. Okay.
Come on, picture.
This is a Jamaican drink. It's nice and red, deep burgundy.
Nice.
My friend, she actually made it, and
Decent.
she gave me some. Yes,
Why you grabbing our plantain out on it? Don't worry. Right?
this is really
Look
good.
at it. Look at this.
Sure.
Nice. Whoa.
Whoa, nigga, drop it.
Got rum in here. We going junkyard. We going junkyard today.
Oh yeah, you can put rum in there. Yes. This is something that we make with dinner, and during
During
Christmas time,
holidays.
Thanksgiving, the holidays. This is what we make. So.
I'm a junkyard family. You want to get drunk? You want to sip on some of that? Make first give you some. Look at this. Cabbage. Green carrot. All this right here. We get at Jamaican restaurant.
And this is considered a Sunday meal. This is something that you would eat on a Sunday for Sunday dinner.
Yep. Family, this rice is so soft, buttery, flaky. Nice.
This is a chicken leg. You guys know I love me some legs.
How was everybody weekend? I know I gave it a pop-up live. You know, a pop-up, you know? I tell him don't snitch on me. Nobody gonna tell. She would never know.
I was tired, family.
How would she know? She would never know.
So you tell upon yourself.
Snitch on myself. See, family?
Excuse me.
I snitch on myself.
You heard something? I came from work. We did our fast food Friday.
Drink some. You want some?
Hiccups.
Drink some, I think.
Man, this sorrel is good. We did our fast food Friday. I was out for the count.
After the cup, fuck it. I'm gonna press my door.
I heard it.
You're right.
Uh-huh.
First day you was knocked out. Family, I think I did good. No? When me first day, first day, I chat off about it. But that was just a pop-up, you know?
I woke up, he was like, I went live. I was like, you're right.
Appreciate everybody that's strolling.
Okay, well, that's good. If you guys missed it, we're sorry. It was just a pop-up one.
Yeah.
and we'll try to come back as soon as we can.
Yep. I already told them.
Are you told them?
You're busy. So you gotta do what you gotta do. We're busy.
Come on, food tastes nice, man.
You want food, boy, man?
Okay, I'm going.
Hold on, family. I just want to get a piece of chicken. Hold on.
You want the metal fork?
No, I don't need no metal fork. This is good enough. Here. And put some gravy on this.
Because it depends on what we're eating.
Yeah.
These forks are good.
Yeah.
And sometimes you need to have the metal fork to
Yes, that's true.
pick up the stuff. Yeah,
And the metal fork sometimes scratch up the bowl. We need an next tray. Here you go, family. Break it down. Focus, focus. There you go. Take piece. Good. Hope they can see it. If I can't see it, that's why when I put it in my mouth. Yo. It's nice, man.
Yeah, man. Stew chicken. Bad man. Stew chicken is another one of my favorite.
Yep.
Because it gives a lot of gravy. I was going to make curry chicken. And I said, you know what? I haven't made stew chicken in a while. I'll make some stew chicken.
I made stew chicken one time I made it too on the channel. You know what I got over here already. I'm not even gonna say it. You already know what time it is. I'm not saying it. How was your weekend? It was good.
Ooh.
Yo, I'm gonna have to go right Minute Maid, son. They be making juice too sweet, B. Probably. Is it just me or Minute Maid be making the juice too sweet? Y'all be honest. Cause they juice be sweet. I have to add it with water. Sometimes I throw a bottle of water in here and shake it up. That's how sweet it be. I know I'm not the only one. Let me know.
Well, I don't drink Minute Maid because it's sweet.
They're not talking. You know why they're not talking?
Why?
They're planning how to go use that stimulus right now. Shop time.
Some of my family members got their checks. I said, well, wow.
Yep. Stimulus in the building.
Ooh.
Stimulus Richie in the building, you know? What's your first lady? I love flat Mina.
I do not flop you. Oh, that's ginger.
You see, I put my ginger inside. First, they be putting ginger in the food, I think it's meat, and I go buy it.
When I make stew chicken, I have to put ginger in my stew chicken. It's a must.
The first they gotta give me the breast.
It does something to the stew chicken.
It does something to make me, what it does is make me eat it.
It gives an extra flavor. Ooh.
And this is very easy to make, family. I have a video of this already.
Okay.
I know where to find that now. So y'all don't ask, because I don't know where to find that video. Cause I know you still put it in the description, family. I do not know where to find that video. But I did a video making stew chicken. What is stew? Was it stew corn shine?
Probably. Probably. I have a question for you, family. Do you guys think that the amount that we received for the stimulus is a good amount? Because in other countries, like Canada, they was receiving $2,000 a month.
Real talk, but remember.
Since the pandemic started.
Oh yeah.
Okay? So, I just want to know, do you guys think, hey, you know, America is doing the best they can? Or you think they could do better? Let me know.
For real. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Because
Chicken tastes good.
I think we should get more than that. That's my opinion. For real. A lot of people lost their work.
But them lose?
Their work. Yeah. A lot of people lose their work. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Businesses.
Businesses.
Homes.
Home.
And it's just like, you know, I appreciate them. When I say I appreciate, like, you know, he's giving us stimulus, but
We deserve more.
and there was so much stuff that they could have done to prevent people from losing their homes, their jobs. So, what do you guys think?
For real.
And if you think we should have gotten more, how much do you think? Should it have been a weekly thing, a monthly thing? Let me know. I'm curious.
Me too. Yeah. I watched something on TikTok. And the guy said, you sorry? That the man and the woman, the man should get 700 and the woman should get 700. And this is not, he said, because right now when the woman didn't get that, it's for the kids. We ain't getting nothing out of it. The woman gonna get all that. So he said, it was like a skit he was doing.
Oh, of course. Because
it should be 7-7. Right? When the woman didn't get that, that's it, it's over.
it goes towards the kids and the bills and it goes towards stuff. For a man, they want to go buy Gucci shoes and products.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. I don't buy no Gucci gang because I can't roll the Gucci gang.
And Prada and all kind of nonsense.
Yo, so what? So what? No,
There's bills to pay. There's things to get done. Things in the house to get fixed.
I'm not saying go do it. You already know how I be already.
How do you mean?
I work hard. If I decide I want to get something, I'm gonna get it. It's a once in a time. I don't do it all the time. It's a boundary. It's a limit. I'm not gonna use the stimulus to go shop and go crazy. You know what I mean? Bills gotta pay. But I'm saying, family, what you think? If you work hard and you feel like you want something, you go buy it, right? If you could afford it. You know what I'm saying?
I agree.
Another time, first day, said she wants something and blah, blah. Oh, I don't want you to get that. And I still buy it because you know why? First day, they deserve it. You feel me?
You too.
Well, yeah.
And you work hard.
Yeah, you work hard. That's what I'm saying. If you work hard and you feel like you want to get something, you go buy yourself a nice shoe. Go buy yourself, you know what I mean?
But
yeah.
You know what I don't like? It's when you do go buy yourself something nice and somebody sees you like a friend and they're like, oh wow, you got money.
Yeah.
No.
Why is that though?
I don't have
Family,
money.
we talking today. We talking for real. Yeah, this is
I work
conversation
just like
today. Yeah,
you
we
do.
just walk like, yeah.
I work just like you do.
Yeah.
So
For real.
I just sacrificed for a month or so. I said I'm not gonna do certain things
Exactly.
for a month and save my money
And
then
go buy
it.
That's right.
I don't have no money.
Yeah. Exactly.
And if I did, it's mine.
It's mine. I hate to see that. Like,
Yeah.
when people see do certain things, and oh,
You're knocking, honey.
how? You had the first thing. You have money. No, we don't have money.
Yeah.
No, we just saying. We're not saying us. We're just saying overall. I know the same thing happened to y'all too.
Yeah.
We're just looking at they got money.
Yeah.
Nah.
Or they come in your house.
They come in your house and they see something and they're like, damn, it's nice in here. Yeah. You know what I mean? But they don't know what you started from.
What you started from.
You know what I'm saying?
Problem. And a lot of people don't want to start from there.
Exactly.
They just want to wake up one day
Yeah.
and have what you have.
Yeah.
And it doesn't work like that. If it did, everyone would have what they
Yeah.
want in life. You have to work hard for it.
Yeah.
There's sacrifices that you have to be willing to do.
You have to.
Are you willing to do it? If you're willing to do it, eventually you will get to where you want to get to.
Exactly. Well said. You gotta creep before you walk. All right, perfect. That's true. I know y'all feel the same way, family. You know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta spoil yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, spoil yourself sometime. You come and you trust me, as we said, you work hard.
But us mothers, and if you can agree, it's hard for us to spoil ourselves because we would go in the store and we would say, okay, we're gonna buy ourselves something.
Where'd
And
you
you
come
get
and
in the
change them?
store and you're like, I don't really need that pants. I don't really need that bra.
Right.
But then you go right to the kids section and you're buying kids clothes and socks and all kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Or you buy the husband something, you know? Or if it's time to get your toes done, or your nails done, or your hair done, you're like, I can wait another week. I can wait another 2 weeks. No, you gotta take care of yourself. You gotta pamper yourself. Get your toes done, your nails done, your hair done. Because at the end of the day, as long as you have your money to pay your bills, take care of yourself.
Exactly, that's true fact. So, I don't tell friends to buy stuff. I just go buy it and give it to her. So, yo, whole lot. Half a whole lot. Zip it. Yeah, family, I don't tell first thing. I said, no, don't buy that. That's too much.
I'm
Too
very
expensive.
frugal.
I'm too expensive. Nah, you want to get it. You deserve that.
If I see something that I like, I will go weeks and research it until I find it cheaper.
Yep,
It makes
that's the
me
first
feel
thing to do.
good that I got it cheaper. Okay?
Yep. First lady's a smart shopper. You gotta be smart. Yeah.
That's the best part is the bone. See all that?
Yeah.
Is the back or the ribs?
You gotta shop smart, girl. But yeah, that was just a quick
conversation.
Quick conversation. Let us know how you feel about that. I know I can relate.
That's what we say. When we come here, talk about anything. It's not planned.
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
But I know they can relate to that.
Yeah, man.
What are you talking?
Excuse me. I gave myself too much rice.
You got the wrong side. I don't want so much rice neither. I don't have enough rice already. You did give yourself a lot of rice.
I got a lot of rice. Richie, I give half. Oh, whatever Richie has, I get a quarter of it. I'm not showing off today.
Showing off. But yeah.
Oh, so you saw Coming to America. We watched Coming to America, family.
I liked it. It was a dope movie. It was nice. I ain't gonna lie, no cap. It was good.
I'm glad you liked it.
I like Eddie Murphy's just woo! That boy's smooth. What the girl name again?
No. What her name?
I don't remember my name, but Eddie Murphy's he's a good mopper though.
Hakeem.
Hakeem can mop, man. That was a good movie though. Family. I always glimpse it, but I never watch it till now.
Like from beginning to end.
Exactly, from beginning to end, but it was nice. I enjoyed it.
We have some more movies to watch. Don't worry. I'll tell you which ones we watch. I'm gonna whip Richie into shape.
Watch sport movie, man. Whoa!
Nope, didn't get me.
Didn't get you this time. First lady team now.
Oh, that's why.
I get still.
Still.
All right, family. Give me a minute. Pastor Rich now in the building. Pastor Rich in the building. What I got for your good family today? Ready for this, first lady?
I'm ready.
Family, listen. Nice one. In life, you will meet two kinds of people. Ones who build you up and one who tear you down. But in the end, you will thank them both.
That's true. Yeah.
What do you think about that one?
It's good.
Greedy fam, what do you think? That one was good? Okay. So if it was good, you heard it the first time, so I don't think I have to say it again.
But read it twice, so people get mad.
Alright. Since the first day, I heard it twice. I say, y'all read it. I heard y'all might read it. Okay, I'm gonna read it again. Family, in life, you will meet two kinds of people. Ones who build you up and ones who tear you down. But in the end, you'll thank them both.
Yes, you will.
Relate, if you could relate to that. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, you will.
Yes. Yes, you will. Well, you already know. I appreciate every single one of y'all. You know what I'm saying?
This food was so good.
This food is delicious. We came, we chit chat, you know what I mean? Do what we do all the time. You know? It's just the vibe, you feel me, family? You put a lot of rice, Tom.
I got a lot of rice. So show off my use.
I mean, I can't have no more rice. Yeah, I'm not fried.
But I bet you if it was me, you'd yam it.
I mean, I just. Family, first I took a lot of rice today. Yeah, I ate a lot already.
You gotta chew the bone.
My size is size small in shirts if you decide you want to send me those shirts. And a 30 jeans, medium. 30 jeans, Fashion Over Rich in the building, / Sheehan in the building, okay? And a size small shirt if you want to send Pastor Rich something and the P.O box is down there. Tell them, first lady.
Alright, so y'all go on. Okay.
I want to start doing outfit of the day. Yeah. Small and 30 pants. Skinny. Thank you. I don't gotta let them know. Gotta let them know. You feel me? Appreciate y'all, you know? You done, Tom?
We're done.
We shared with y'all. We had our conversation with y'all. I feel some type of way.
Listen, when you wink at me, careful now, because you're on camera, I take off my clothes.
It's still for me.
You know how I feel when you wink
Take
at
out
me.
clothes, you're lucky.
When Richie wink at me,
It's the nose ring for her. It's a breezy in the building. You're like Chris Brown.
No.
Birthdays and shit like Chris Brown guys. Though. I ain't gonna say Chris Brown, you my guy. But anyways, we shared. Comment, subscribe if you're new. And this is the greedy couple. First lady, aka Shanice, and Richie, aka Pastor Richie. Yeah.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.
Bye.